Hey everyone, welcome to Ruta's YouTube channel. And for those of you who are listening to us on our podcast, welcome to the Ruta Mittal podcast. I'm Shruti, General Manager to Team Relentless, and also a coach at Marketing Accelerator Academy. And here we have today Harshit with us, who is also one of our students at Marketing Accelerator. And we are very excited to hear what he has to say about his journey after he signed up to the academy. So welcome, Harshit. How are you doing?
I'm doing good, and I'm very glad to be here talking to you. Mhm.
That's nice. Tell us about the kind of revenue you've made after you joined the academy and the journey that you've been through.
So the revenue that I've made so far is around $6,000, and so I have been a student of MA since I think 29th or 30th June of
Hmm.
2020.
Hmm.
And yeah, so right now, yeah, I'm mainly working with a Chicago-based agency, and I'm handling around 9 to 10 of their clients. Yeah.
Okay, that's
Mm.
nice. So it's been about 1 year since you've joined the course and you've achieved $6,000 worth of revenue that you've
Mhm.
generated during
Mhm.
this time, during this 1 year, and that too while we are all in a pandemic. So that's
Mhm.
amazing achievement, I would say. So congratulations on that.
Thank you. Thank
Uh,
you.
yeah, tell us more about what you were doing before you joined the academy. Where were you, and what were you up to, and what made you sign up to the academy?
Yeah. So I was working in Bangalore for an oil company, and so then in March of 2020, the office closed, and I came to Ahmedabad to work from home. And then actually I tried starting my YouTube channel, and then I chanced upon Saheli Chatterjee's video. If you know Saheli Chatterjee, so and she kept mentioning that I did this marketing course, and then she mentioned Ruta Mittal. So then I googled Ruta Mittal, and I think mm, around May, end of May, I attended her webinar. So I thought I will attend the webinar and that would be it. So and
Here we are today.
yeah, yeah. So and then I did not join the course after seeing the webinar. But I got her mails, and I bought this book on Facebook advertising, because actually her webinar changed my perception like totally. Like I used to think that freelancing is, it's something that people who can't get a job do. It is something where you don't make much money,
Mm.
and I thought like I'm in a corporate job, I'm earning well, so it's not for me. But still, I wanted to like listen, and after listening it was very hard to ignore what she said, and specialize as a freelancer, and uh, uh, have a niche, and all very systematic. It looked very systematic. So I learned Facebook advertising on my own, like for 3 weeks or so, from the book. It's a book by Perry Marshall, a very good book. And then on 29th June I joined the course, and I thought that the worst that will happen is I will lose my 42,000 rupees, 42,000 or something around, yeah, around that. So, and I thought that I'll do this with my job, and maybe in 2 years, 4 years, I'll gradually transition to a freelancer or to a consultant. And then what happened is that on 6th of August, I lost my job. So and then by that time I had gained some momentum in the course. So I continued. So I went to Bangalore, vacated my house, moved permanently to Ahmedabad, and yeah, it was a tough time. So, but then yeah, I kept working. I had the support of the community. I kept asking questions, uh, and I got an Indian client in September, and then things kept on moving. So, and then I got to work with an agency in December, and then more clients from that agency. That's how it's going.
Yeah, I think the
Mm.
graph is going upward and beyond, which is amazing. So, right from losing a job to chancing on regarding the webinar and then watching it and getting inspired by it to right now making a total of 6,000 US dollars. I think it's a great journey that you've been on. So tell us how Marketing Accelerator has played a role in you achieving this kind of revenue goals that you've done now.
So, so after I lost my job, like the predominant advice was to find another job, to either go for a PhD or to go for an MBA. But I had this group. I was already in the group, interacting with people, and I had already started asking questions in the group. So so I could see, I mean, it was tough to see myself making 1 lakh plus or 1.5 lakh plus, that kind of money per month. Very unbelievable to see with my background. But the success of other people in the group, that kept me going. The course material, that instilled some confidence, and success, course material, and the Q&A I have leveraged like very well, because when I first came to know about it, that you can answer anything you want. So I thought, yeah, I will every week I should ask something.
Yes.
Whether small or large, something I should ask.
Absolutely. So, I've always seen you ask at least a minimum of one question every single week. You have us go through your ad copies, or you have us go through your funnels, or any strategy that you want us to review, or sometimes you might have a question regarding your clients. You come up to us and ask us. That's, I think, an amazing thing that you do. You are a perfect example of how hard work can actually result in success. So congratulations on that. It's truly an achievement that you've come from what the background that you had last year, from the situation that you were in last year to where you are now, making $6,000. That's great. So how was your first client experience?
So in September there was this Get Clients Challenge, September of 2020, right? If you remember. So I changed my FB. I optimized my FB profile. So one of my friends who is a business owner, he contacted me. So I worked with him for around 2.5 months. So I was not not very concerned about the money that I'm making from him, but I was more interested in getting to work. So I ran a Facebook campaign for him. I wrote email newsletters for him. I optimized his Instagram profile. So hashtag strategy, things like that. So I did all of these things with him. So it was a good experience. Yeah, so I mean, he told me what he wants to do, what he's doing, how marketing helps. So that I saw. So it was a good learning experience. So I learned about email marketing. I actually implemented a Facebook campaign. So all those things I saw how they work, and I got some results for him. So it was a good experience that way.
So that must have obviously given you the momentum that you needed and the confidence that you needed to go after more clients, go after high ticket clients and all that, I'm sure. So what do you think of the Marketing Accelerator community and the coaching that we give inside the group?
Yeah, so like I've been saying, like the best part, so like the Facebook module, that is very extensive. That helped me a lot. But once you go to implement and you struggle to implement, that is when the Q&A and the Facebook group, that is when they really help you. So you either ask in the Facebook group. If you don't get a satisfactory answer, you go to the Q&A, and so you go out in the field, you do something, and you then you come back and you correct yourself, re-implement. So those with those things, like the course and the whole system together works very well.
Mm. I'm sure the last year has been quite a journey for you. And with this journey, you might have faced a couple of hardships and difficulties that you've now obviously overcome to achieve the success that you've achieved now. So what were those challenges that you faced, and how did you overcome them, and what did it teach you?
Yeah. So first thing I would say that I would not call myself successful because still I'm struggling. Still, I want to uh, like work with better clients. So I'm sustainable, not successful. I would say it has become sustainable. And so challenges I lost my job. So that was like I'm 30 plus and losing a job, like losing your source of income at 30 plus, it was very stressful.
Sure.
Uh, so my mom was really worried about me, and my I'm still not married, so he's worried about all these things. So like personal level and family level, there were challenges, and like I had a very good career. I have a good education, so like switching to digital marketing, that was a it was not a challenge in the sense that uh, like my mom would ask why are you doing it now? I mean, why not why not earlier? So and I lived with my parents, so that became challenging, like answering them. So they would ask me, uh, when are you going to get a client?
I'm sure,
So,
like they would not, obviously, they are concerned about you, and that is why
yeah,
those kind of questions arise. They want you to be successful, they want you to be self-sufficient,
yeah,
financially independent, all of those things.
yeah,
So,
yeah,
obviously, that is where the concern comes in, that is where the
yeah,
questions come in. But
yeah.
yeah, if we are able to explain it to them as to what we are doing, I'm sure that is how I think you have
Yeah,
actually got their support now. I mean, obviously,
yeah,
with their support, you have now reached this level of
yeah, yeah,
success.
yeah.
So yeah, that's
So
great.
yeah,
That's
yeah,
actually a really big thing. A lot of people actually face this, whether
yeah,
being is pressure from the society or whatever it is. They actually
yeah,
face a
yeah,
lot of challenges like
yeah,
this, and having the having family support is very important for you
yeah,
to have the right
yeah,
mindset and move forward in your
yeah,
business journey.
yeah, yeah,
True, true.
yeah. So yeah, in August, I had very little knowledge of digital marketing, and I did not have a source of income. So zero income, zero knowledge, and from there, it is tough. Yeah, it was very tough. Mm.
Yeah. So, what would you advise anyone who in their freelancing journey might be thinking that they should give up or something like that? What would you advise them?
So even I even I wanted to give up actually. So I wanted to give up. Yeah, after a few months. So yeah, when you have nothing going for you, and nothing you can't see anything ahead. So you do want to give up. So I would say that like network with be in the network of successful freelancers. So I contacted several people from MA who have interviewed with Ruta. So I talked to them what's going on with you. So that gave me a better picture of how where I can be. So that prevented me from giving up. Not just the interviews. I watched the interviews, but I actually contacted several people. So that gave me a confidence that yeah, I can also get somewhere. Um, and yeah, like I also had this faith that something would some something would happen if I continue. So so that's how I did not end up giving up, and that's what I would tell others that before, like I almost was about to give up, but I thought before giving up, let us at least talk to people. So
Yes, I think
that's what I would
it's,
say.
yeah, I think when you hear other people's stories who have done well in this field, in this niche, you get that kind of motivation to pursue your own goals
Hmm.
and actually achieve them. So you have that kind of you might have had that mental block that, okay, what would I be able to do with this? I have the resources, I have the knowledge, I have the platform where I can get questions answered, but then how will I really be able to go ahead and implement all of this and achieve the goal that I had? Something that most of us actually, feel, and we face that. So I'm glad that you actually went through that and got out of all of that, and today you are here. So if we are to point out like two pieces of content from the course from MAA, which has helped you reach the level that you have reached today, what would those be?
So one would be the Get Clients module. So like the agency that I'm working with, I ended up working with them by following something that Ruta like specifically mentioned in her course. I followed it exactly, and I ended up working with an agency because of doing what she said. And like the contact with the agency started in the Get Clients challenge, like in September, and now I'm working with them. So that module really helped me. I've got a lot of discovery calls through implementing the methods, although not successful in converting them. So that is a very good module, and now it has been revamped. So now it is even more the worth has more power packed. Yeah. And the other module is the mindset module. So when you feel low, you should like listen to that, and and then you want to try once more. So
yes. Absolutely. Mindset module has actually been the favorite of almost all our students. They always tell us that, we always get back to it every week or every month whenever we feel low, whenever we're having a low day or stuck in a rut or anything that we are facing, we always get back to it, is what they say. And I'm sure it has also helped you in, every single day to go through day by day towards achieving the goals that you've had and the goals that are to come. So I'm sure it has helped you.
Yes.
So what would be your last words to those who are on the fence about joining Marketing Accelerator? What would you advise them? There are people who feel that, okay, this might be like a huge investment to make. There are some people who might be doubtful of their own abilities as to whether they will be able to implement this course. There are people who feel that, they're doubtful of whether this is for them, whether this is a right fit for them. So what would you tell them?
So I would say that the opportunity in digital marketing is there. Like the opportunity is there, but you cannot tap into that opportunity without guidance. You need support, you need guidance, you need the right knowledge. So to be able to tap into that opportunity, you need like someone who is already successful. You need a system, and this gives you that system. So the modules, the community, the Q&A, and the updates, the success of other people in the group, all that is a very powerful package in itself. And the price does look, when you are like you don't know, the price does look a bit steep. Even I thought I thought that the max that will happen is that I will lose my money, but now it I have made like more than 10 times that money already. So so it's a very good system, and if you don't have the money, save and join the course. That's what I would say.
Yes, a lot of them feel that this would simply go down the drain or something like that. But then the truth is they need to look at it as an investment that they're making in themselves for a better future, for their own betterment. And like what you said, thank you for your kind words as well. So
Yeah,
guys, if you are interested in enrolling into Marketing Accelerator, you will find the link in the description box below. Do go through that. And if you were inspired by Harshit's story in any way, do let us know in the comment section. And I'm sure he would love to see what you have to say about his story and how his story inspired you. So do leave us a comment also below. And if you're watching us on YouTube, do like and share this video with somebody who might want to listen to this. And thank you so much, Harshit, for joining us here today and sharing your inspiring story with us. We wish you all the very best for all your future endeavors, and I hope to see more wins from you, and so that you keep achieving all your goals. So yeah, thank you for joining us today.
yeah. Thank you for your time. Okay.
Thank,
Yeah.
thank
Bye.
you. Bye.